Hi, Mike McCain at Guarantee Fifth Wheel in Toy Hauler. Today we're going to look at this 2017 Avalanche Keystone. It's a 300 RE floor plan. It's got 3 slide outs, plenty of storage up front, pass-through storage. So when you see inside, I'm sure you're going to like it. Let's take a look. Thanks. Okay, this is the inside of the 2017 Avalanche. You have your rear entertainment where you have your theater seating, a 54-inch TV, and your fireplace back here. Lots of seating for entertaining. You got the big island kitchen with the dual sink, double door refrigerator, oven and microwave, and a nice little pantry area right here. So coming up here, you'll find a king size bed, lots of storage, lots of closet space, a very ample size bathroom right here, and just a very, very nice coach and a very, very nice price. So I think you'll like it when you come and see it. All right, well, thanks for spending time with us today and looking at this Avalanche. We hope to see you here. If you need to get a hold of me, my information is down below, and we'll see you later. Thanks.